Welcome back, fellow biology enthusiasts, to another exciting episode of BioSpeaks, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of life sciences. I'm your host, Anthony, and today we're embarking on an exhilarating journey into the microscopic universe of the animal cell. The animal cell, the building block of all multicellular organisms, including us humans. Just like a bustling city, each part of the cell has its own unique role, contributing to the seamless functioning of the whole organism. Let's embark on a thrilling safari through the cell and meet its extraordinary inhabitants. Our adventure begins at the cell membrane, the dynamic border that separates the cell's interior from its environment. Think of it as the gatekeeper, carefully controlling what enters and exits the cell, ensuring harmony within. Behold, the nucleus, the command center of the cell. This spherical powerhouse contains the cell's genetic material, the DNA, which holds the blueprint for life itself. It's like the brain of our cell city, orchestrating all cellular activities with precision. And here we have the mighty mitochondria, the powerhouses of the cell. These bean-shaped organelles are the energy factories, tirelessly producing ATP through cellular respiration. They provide the fuel necessary to keep our cellular city bustling with activity. And there you have it, folks. The animal cell, a bustling metropolis teeming with life and activity, each organelle playing its vital role in maintaining cellular harmony. Join us next time as we explore more wonders of the biological world on BioSpeaks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the excitement with your fellow biologists. Until next time, stay curious.